My people, hello. My name is Babatunde and today I go teach on how to make shrimp egg fried rice with extra shrimp flavor. Let's go ahead and dice the spring onions with your gatesman's cutlass. Now take 3 eggs and beat them like say you dey beat am rubber. Then peel all the shrimps and make sure say you keep all the shells. Oya put frying pan for fire and add enough oil. We are going to make the ultimate shrimp oil. Now this oil go make every grain of the fried rice get that powerful shrimp taste. We go fry the shells until it turns slightly crispy and all the aroma dey scatter for inside the house. Now let's take a sieve and drain out the oil. This oil na the juju of the dish. You see how that oil dey red dey shine? You know they take that oil dey play We go put the shells back into the frying pan and add 1 small cup of water wey we collect from Elegushi beach. Cook am briefly. Now let's take the same sieve and drain out the water. This na the holy water of the dish. Add the juju into the frying pan and add some small cooking oil. Oya throw away the peeled shrimps into the frying pan. Fry am small no go overcook am as we go still cook am again later. Let's keep it aside for later. Add small of the juju oil. Let's start frying the spring onions. No fry am too long about 20 to 30 seconds don't do. Oya add the egg wey you don knack well. Fry am small make e no fully done Now add the rice and start to dey fry am together. Make sure all the orishi don mix well. Add small of the juju oil into the concoction. Continue to fry am until the rice dey a bit dry. Add the white pepper powder and the salt. Mix am well. Toss am in the air, Now add the shrimp wey we don fry before. Oya, it's time for some remix. Add small tablespoon of the holy water wey we make before. Continue to fry am. Make all the rice suck that shrimp water. Add some more tablespoons again and continue to fry until you see say the rice don dey resemble the oga at the top. Food don ready How you check am now? Abeg don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Until next time, Oshe Twale Baba.